All right, welcome back, everybody. Needless to say, I couldn't stay away. I'm back on the bay. Didn't mean to start this one with a rhyme. Yeah, chasing whitefish again today, except this time brought the sled to make life a little bit easier. So if I can't get on anything here in probably an hour or so, I'm gonna start running around looking for better spots, basically. So I took some of you guys' recommendation, and yeah, I just started putting some stuff together and keeping my fingers crossed that it really pays off today, because I've said this before, it's a really long drive to get here. So I'm gonna keep my fingers crossed the whole day, and yeah, we'll see if we can get a limit of good whitefish. Wish me luck. Could that be the first one? Oh, might even be two. Got two of them all over it. So crazy how many times I can miss. Oh! He ended up getting it. Come on. You can't hook them. They are all over this. They're all over the drop shot. Never seen fish circle so many times in my life. There's like 6 of them down there now. What just happened? That was stressful. Of course, the camera was off for the first one. I think he hit the drop shot. Interesting. Never thought I'd be drop shotting through the ice, but I'll take it.